I don't slang up bang, I just smoke motherfuckers like it ain't no thing.
Look at this greatness. Turns into like fours as we climb up 10,000 feet basically. I think we're almost to like 6. That's the nice thing about Tucson is it has that big mountain like this. Phoenix doesn't have this. We have to actually like drive to Sedona. This would be nice. So when it is like 110, you can just come up here and it's not. As you drop, as you go up in elevation, I think it's every 1,000 feet, it drops 2 degrees or something like that. I know that because I went skydiving. And you jump out at 13,000 feet. So it's cold up there. Oh, blazer. Yeah, well, there he is. Sure. Where you at on that Waze? Yeah, you wouldn't be using Waze out here right now. Damn, he had to hear that coming up here though. God damn it. All right, fuck. Hold on. Well, I'm pull over for a second, just, you know, walk around. Because that Motordyne was loud. I know it was. You heard it.